We could all use a break. Whether a lunch break, spring break, or summer break, a break gives us the breather we need from the responsibilities of everyday life, like homeownership and taxes. Today I'm gonna break down some nifty tax breaks for homeowners. Some of them are a little complicated, but don't worry, we'll take breaks. Hi homeowners/future homeowners, I'm Zillow person Delaney, and this is Learn with Zillow. Before I share these sweet breaks, it's very important to know that most of these breaks are deductions you can take only if you itemize on your federal tax return, instead of taking the standard deduction. Itemizing may be the right move for you if your individual deductions add up to more than the standard deduction. And just to be clear, when we say things are tax deductible, that means the amount is deducted from your taxable income. Just in case you're over there going, deducted from what? Okay, now we're ready. What breaks will be available to you as a homeowner? First up, the mortgage interest deduction. This allows homeowners to deduct interest paid on their mortgage throughout the year, which could amount to a lot of money in savings. We're talking thousands. You can deduct the interest on up to $750,000 of eligible mortgage debt on your annual federal tax return, or up to $375,000 if you're married but filing separately. If your mortgage started before December 15th, 2017, those caps are even higher. Yeah! Let's say I bought a home for $500,000. I put 20% down, which was $100,000, so my mortgage amount was a cool $400,000. The interest rate is 6%, so the mortgage interest I paid this year came out to $24,000. All of that, every single dang penny of that $24,000 is tax deductible because it falls under that $750,000 cap. Whew, all those numbers tired me out. Coffee break. Next up, property tax deductions. Property taxes can be a big deterrent for people who can't decide whether they should buy or not, but luckily, they can also be deducted to a point. Don't go nuts. Generally, you can deduct up to $40,000 in property taxes, or $20,000 if you're married but filing separately. You can use the Zillow property tax calculator in the description box below to estimate your property tax deduction based on the home price amount and your location. Next up, discount points. If you pay any mortgage points, including certain origination fees or discount points when you open your mortgage, these could be deducted when you itemize your deductions. Origination fees are the fees that compensate the lender for lowering your interest rate. Discount points are those kooky little points you can buy to lower your interest rate. One discount point costs 1% of your loan amount and knocks 0.25% off of your interest rate, which of course lowers your monthly mortgage payment. So check your closing documents before you file your taxes. If you paid any of the above, deduct away, my friends. God, I've been standing for like 600 words. I need a dance break. Our final tax break is the Residential Clean Energy Property Credit, which I believe is far too many words, but that's just my personal opinion. All the breaks we've mentioned so far have been deductions, but this baby is a credit. Like deductions, credits reduce the amount you owe in taxes, but unlike deductions, you don't have to do a lick of itemizing. The RCEP credit applies to certain clean energy technologies installed for your home before January 1st, 2026. The technologies you can credit include things like solar water heaters, solar panels, wind turbines, battery storage, electric vehicle charging equipment, or geothermal heat pumps. So what's the credit? It's 30% of the total cost of the system. Parts, labor, the works. The maximum amount you can claim for each type of improvement can vary, so you can talk to your tax pro for exact numbers, or go to irs.gov. An important note, 2025 will be the last time when this credit is available, so don't miss out on your chance to get it. I sure hope taking this YouTube break you took to learn about tax breaks gave you a nice break from the stress that can come with being a taxpayer. And if you're not yet a homeowner, I hope it made you realize that maybe a mortgage and property taxes aren't as financially daunting as you thought. When you're ready to make the move, Zillow Home Loans can get you started. For more information, and believe it or not, even more credits and deductions, check out the resources we've included in the description box below. And remember, you work hard day to day, and you worked very hard for your home. So you deserve all the breaks you can get. Applause break! Yeah, good job, look at you. So proud of you.